Hi, I'm Elana Horwich of Meal and Spiel, and today we're going to make California Italian scrambled eggs 3 ways. I know a lot of you probably make scrambled eggs every day of your life, so I'm going to show you some new ways using fresh herbs and some ingredients that you may not have thought of that are going to up-level your eggs to a whole new place. Let's go into the kitchen and cook. Let's talk about the 3 ways. 1, we're going to do plain with cilantro as a finish. 2, we're going to do it with radicchio and green onion or scallions. And 3, we're going to do with toasted pine nuts and basil. To be honest with you, you can mix and match, do it as you want, but here's essentially how to show you how to make scrambled eggs from what you have in your fridge. So to get started, we're going to use a non-stick but ecologically coated non-stick. This is the J.A. Henkel's Thermalon pan, and I really like it, and it's already hot. You gotta get your pan hot to start. All right, we're gonna go by pouring olive oil in, immediately followed by cracking 2 eggs in there at once. Now you're gonna stir it right away. Stir it right in the pan. And we're gonna cook it until it's almost done, but a little runny, because by the time it gets to your plate, it will be perfect. Kosher salt, you can use Celtic salt, nice salt that you have, that's cool. Fresh herbs. What I love about using fresh herbs is that it actually makes your eggs a little easier to digest and gives so much fresh flavor. See, it's the little things in life that make me happy. All right, let's make more. Okay, hot pan, olive oil. This time we're actually gonna cook our radicchio and our herbs first, because you only want to cook your eggs for a short while, so cook everything else first. These maybe saute for a minute, 2 minutes max. All right, let's get the eggs in there. So we're cooking the eggs until they're just like a touch runny, just holding together. Yep, salt it. Great as is. If you have fresh herbs, go for it. So good. All right, let's keep making more. Our 3rd California Italian scrambled eggs are going to be pine nuts and basil. So I like my pine nuts to be toasted, and I like them to be dry toasted. So I have my pan and it's on high, and before I put in any olive oil or anything else, I'm going to add my pine nuts. I'm just giving them a little toast to get a nice golden brown, and I'm actually going to remove my pine nuts. Olive oil. So now for our basil, just put a few leaves together, roll them up. I know some of you know how to roll. And use a scissors, super easy way, or a knife, but just cut it into strips. And some toasted pine nuts. It's honestly so delicious. The best things in life are often the simplest things in life. Enjoy your 3 new ways to make California scrambled eggs.